Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what I'll be bringing you guys is a live demo, and this will be Ray Higdon's wife, Jessica Higdon, doing her AI avatar, I guess, and is creating her whole email campaign and website. Everything that I showed you guys before, she'll be doing that now, and it's going to be less than 5 minutes, and we're going to show you guys. So seeing is believing, and I'm going to let Adrian take it over and introduce them and get that going right now.
Hey, it's Adrian Chenault from Nowsite, and I am here with the one and only Jessica Higdon. And we did a Facebook Live with Ray earlier this week, and Justin, our CEO, made a very bold, maybe, claim that we could have Jessica's business set up with its own branded website and branded email in 5 minutes or less. And Ray was like, look, man, prove it. And so that's what we're going to do. So, Jessica, how are you?
I'm great. I'm excited.
Good. All right. Well, Ray scheduled a meeting for about 5 minutes from now, so we better get this thing going because he's really trying to put our feet to the fire, right?
Yeah, I mean, 4 minutes and 59 seconds would be perfect.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna reset my timer here, and we're gonna run the clock. So I'm gonna hit start, and then what I want you to do, Jessica, is you're gonna put your business name in there, and you can describe your business in. All right, the time's going, so you can go ahead and
Okay.
describe your main business, your product in a sentence, 2 sentences. It can be as simple as possible.
Okay.
Love it. Okay, get started. Okay, so here we go. All right. So, hey, Jessica, we're at 42, 43 seconds right now, and we're actually done. It's over. So, would you like to see what AI has now created? I mean, we can keep the clock running, but should we see what it actually created for you?
Yeah, let's see it.
All right. So, discover, I'm going to read a little bit here. Discover the epitome of luxury real estate in Naples, Florida with Jessica Higdon. Our exclusive agency focuses on high end properties, particularly new construction, blah, blah, blah. I'll use the 5 minutes if I read this whole thing. But we already have that. Scroll down a little bit. We've got brand colors for you in brand fonts. Any of this you can change if you want, but it's all done for you in an instant. So we'll keep them as they are for now. I can show you how to change them later. But go ahead
Okay.
and let's go up to the top and hit get started up there.
Okay.
All right. So now we're off to the races. You're done. Awesome. So hit great. And why don't we go and take a look at your email that we just created for you first? So if you go over on the left-hand side, there's a thing that looks like a megaphone.
Oh, right here.
Yep. And then go over to hover over and go over to email.
Click it.
Yep. Go ahead and click it. We're at a minute 54, by the way. And so go ahead and click on the luxury real estate with Jessica Higdon campaign. And then you can click on edit up there on the underneath the email. Over on the above the magenta button, there's a button that says edit.
Oh, edit right here.
There you go. Here we go. So this is your like welcome email that we generated for you to your list. You got a beautiful picture. We're thrilled to introduce you to luxury real estate with Jessica Higdon. So you've got this kind of branded welcome email. You can set up the campaign to add people to that list and they can click through to learn more. And so now let's go check out your website really quick. So go over on the left side again to that megaphone and then go over to websites this time. And now we've got your website. So go ahead and click on the AI button next to your where it says luxury real estate with Jessica. Yep, you can just click it
Right
there.
here.
Yep. And so
Wow.
here is your beautiful branded web page. So we've got a description of your business. It's got images already loaded in there for you. Keep going down. You've got some sample testimonials, which you can fill in there with testimonials from your clients. You've got a contact form. You've got a services section. And so this thing is built for you literally in seconds. And everything in here is super easy to edit, to change. So if you want to go and populate that in instead with, pictures of properties that you've actually sold, or obviously, one of the things that people want to, like they're going to want a picture of you, we can do all of those things. But instead of having this template that's, you have to go and click and spend hours doing this one by one, it's all there easy for you. So I just want to flag, hey, Ray, we're at 3 minutes and 50 seconds right now.
That's amazing.
If I could, I'd like pull out a Diet Coke and hand it to you, Jessica, so we could hang out and talk. But did we deliver? Did we give you?
I mean, it's kind of eerie, like how amazing that is. And so like, I assume, so then when someone fills out this form, like you have the CRM already built in, right? So
actually hit save right there, Jessica, at the very top.
Okay, I think I have to move.
Oh, yeah. Zoom.
Save and exit, or just save?
Save is fine.
Okay.
Actually, do hit save and exit. My bad. That's what we should do. All right, perfect. And so go ahead and see the URL down there, and you can customize that URL. But go ahead and where it says the URL underneath, not your digital business card, but the other one next on your website, go ahead and click on that. So your website is live. It's there. And so go ahead and we'll have you fill me out as a contact on your form. So go ahead and put my name and email in there. So ADRIAN, yeah. You really are the best typer on earth.
I think I should enter a competition or something.
Adrian at contactmapping.com, you can put in there. All right, and register me. Page owner was notified. Awesome. So now go ahead and go back over to that other tab, to your Nowsite. One tab to the left. Yep. Okay, yep. And go to your contacts. So just above the megaphone is the contacts, and click on my contacts.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, Adrian. Come on now. This is this is a game changer.
Wow. That's insane. This was less than 5 minutes. They say he said like almost 3 minutes, I guess, like that. Less than 4 minutes. And they had a complete website, an email campaign, their branded AI avatar. This is insane. So you saw yourself right there. This is so powerful. What this can do for many business owners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, network marketers. Guys, could you imagine having your own marketing agency to do this? Your own, I guess you can call it your own web design person to do this, your own copywriter to do this. This right here is amazing. And guess what? I don't know when you guys seen this, but you can get this for less than $100. So this is crazy, guys. This is crazy how this is just so fast moving and taking off. So they wowed her with that, and I'm still amazed. So if you have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and put them in the comments, or you can go ahead and call me or contact me, text me. My number is in the description below. And yes, that's my direct number, so I will answer. If you comment on my YouTube channel, I will interact with you and answer that, so don't worry about that one. But guess what? If you decide that you want to get going with this, there is a promo code. No matter what the price is, I can get you a little discount on it. So let me know. Always hit me up, ask me if it's through social media. My links are in the description below. Cell phone, call me, text me, or email, whatever it may be, or in the comments, you can contact me. I will respond. Also, if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, go ahead and hit that big red button below, the subscribe button, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube's going to see a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one? So you want to check out this one too. So with that, guys, I'm just saying don't wait, because it might be too late. If you're seeing this, you want to get on this ASAP if you are even considering it, because a little birdie told me the price will be going up. So jump on this ASAP and get locked in and grandfather in like I am already, because this is the marketing tools that you need to stay in line and stay ahead of the curve, because it has all the AI features that you need for marketing your business online. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.